Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Abba. I want to share with you about 4 educative and learner-friendly courses that are virtual and offered free of charge by Tech Society, which I already took mine and learned a lot from them. From these 4 courses, you will learn how to identify and manage online gender-based violence. You can also learn how to defend yourself against image violation. Through these courses, you can also learn like how to tell what is true and what is false online. You will also learn how to grow following and audience as well as influence online while you are being safe and protected. After taking these courses, I have learned a lot about how can I manage and mitigate online gender-based violence and how I can support other people to cope with the certain conditions that may happen when they fall a victim of online gender-based violence. I also learned how to secure my social media handles by activating two-factor authentication, strong privacy setting,